When history is written about Donald Trump, it will have to include the fact that President Barack Obama absolutely bodied Trump in a comedy sketch during the 2011 White House Correspondents' Dinner.
Say what you will about Mr. Trump, he certainly would bring some change to the White House.
And since Trump lacks the wit or charisma of Barack Obama, what he's tried to do instead is undo Obama's legacy as president. Specifically, he has been obsessed with dismantling the Affordable Care Act, even though he's never had his own plan for health care until now, of course. The Trump-Vance administration has applied this thing they're calling the Marketplace Integrity and Affordability Rule. And much like the Trump-Vance administration's defunding of Medicaid, this rule would kick another 2.2 million Americans off their health coverage. Trump and Vance are selling this to their supporters, many of them who are going to be affected by this rule, by saying it just roots out waste, fraud, and abuse, when in fact it just imposes a new junk fee on people who were enrolled in the zero premium plans. And the shittiest part is, this is going to disproportionately affect gig workers and small businesses, both of which are already dealing with Trump's tariffs making things more expensive, and now these small business owners that were trying to give their employees health insurance won't be able to afford to do it anymore. It also rolls back some of the tax credits that people enrolled in Affordable Care Act got. So Democracy Forward, partnering with the City of Columbus, Ohio, the Mayor and City of Baltimore, the City of Chicago, Doctors for America, Main Street Alliance are suing Robert F. Kennedy Jr., the Department of Health and Human Services, and Dr. Oz. Because if this rule is allowed to go into effect, like I said, 2.2 million people will lose their insurance, and a family of four could expect their insurance premium to go up $714 for the year, even if they kept the exact same plan they had last year. It also allows insurance companies to refuse to insure someone if they have medical debt over $10. I'm putting this on our radar as part of my work with Democracy Forward, and also because it is very likely that this story would have gotten lost in all of the other crazy stuff that's going on. You can read about this on democracyforward.org. Also, make sure you check out the City of Baltimore's mayor, who has been just an absolute delight to follow lately, talking about how this policy would affect people in his city and what he's doing to fight back.